Let's go. Oh.
Welcome guys to the Laguna Beach Art Festival. Okay. There's spoons. That looks so cute. Oh, I like that painting more than the other ones because that one has like a mouth and stuff. Oh, this is my favorite part. I love making the clay. It was so fun. Like bum bum, like bum. It was like so fun. I made a little kitty. I still have it. I can show you on. And guess what? There's like when there's like when it's on 20. I made this. Today is 21 and I'm doing this channel on 21 and I can't wait for Christmas. Maybe on Christmas Eve or just Christmas I might make a video and then we can open all our Christmas presents. That would be so fun, don't you think? Comment down below if you think that is what
Do you have a good time today? Do you like it?
Perfect.
Okay, see you. Bye.
Popcorn on me.
Okay, bye-bye. Do you like to talk to the artist?
No.
No.